Okay, on the screen you can see that we've got an error down here at the bottom that says ADB transfer protocol error, no such file or directory. I have no idea what that means, absolutely at all. And in fact, the best way to fix this one perhaps is maybe just to create a new emulator. And it's really quite easy. So, when we run our app, we get a little dialog box that allows us to choose our device. When we click Launch Emulator, we have devices to select from. When we click this is going to launch an ADB window and allows us to create additional emulator devices. Here we can see all the emulator devices that we currently have created. We can just click New. We're able to choose from any device that we'd like. And we can target any API that we currently have installed via the Android package manager. Additionally, we can choose a different CPU, and that's something we're going to talk about in a later talk. It turns out that the ARM CPU is not the fastest CPU for your emulator. You can actually download a much faster CPU for your emulator, and it will launch your applications much quicker. But we'll talk about that in a later talk. Finally, you can choose whether or not the keyboard is present. Now, unselecting this will allow you to use your physical keyboard when you're typing into the application. It allows you to choose perhaps an emulated webcam or your own computer webcam for the phone camera. You have some default memory options, some internal storage. That's about it. Just go ahead and click OK. And now you have a brand new emulator that you can